This is the most exciting news I've ever shared on this channel. Do not, I repeat, please do not skip the intro. Hi guys, it's Jess and welcome back to my channel. So before we get into the haul and giveaway of this video, if you guys watched my 2 videos I uploaded earlier this week on Monday and Tuesday night, then you would know that I have my very own show coming out this August as part of my back to school series, and I am so excited. So make sure that you guys are subscribed and you turn on your notifications, please, so that you do know when episode 1 comes out, because it's coming out very soon. So the series is called Life of Jess, and I can't tell you too much just yet, but if you haven't already watched my vlog and the sneak peek video, then I'll link them down below and as little clickable cards up here. Do go check them out after this video and you can find out more about the show. And do make sure to follow us also on Instagram at Life of Jess TV. You can see more behind the scenes, updates, and meet the cast as well. Okay, now onto the giveaway. So everything you see in this bag and the bag itself are going to be included in the giveaway. Just head to the description box to find out how to enter. Okay, there's a lot of stuff. I went school supply shopping with Adam last week and it was a lot of fun. And I filled this up with a lot of goodies, so I hope you guys are excited. Also, I think I'm gonna film Mondays and Fridays for the rest of July until my series comes out. So if you want 2 videos a week, then just thumbs up to let me know. And I'm gonna be busy filming videos. Okay, let's start with the biggest stuff, shall we? So I've got 2 different kinds of folders here. I think really handy for organizing because it's got different compartments. There are about 15 dividers in this one. And I've also got a plastic folder or pocket folder just to store your notes and handouts. I thought this was really cute with the gold detailing. I like pattern notebooks, something a bit more interesting than the plain ones. I'm also including the blue essay planner from Educationery, my stationery line. Yes, I have a stationery line, guys. If you didn't know, it'll be linked down below. But it's got different templates. All of the planners and books have different templates to help you organize your work. And the essay planner is specifically for crafting an awesome essay plan. And there's even instructions and sort of like handy tips and guidelines on the back. And 2 other things I'm including from Educationery. I'm including 2 exam summary books and also the definition book. So if you're learning another language, then this guy comes in handy. The green books have different templates to help you structure your weekly summaries, just to stay on top of the workload and prep for your exams. And of course, what would this back to school giveaway be without a copy of my study skills book, The High School Survival Guide? So I will be sending a signed copy to the winner. Oh, and also, in addition to the large folder organizer, I did get a smaller one. I thought this could be good for storing your flashcards rather than your notes, which are usually quite big. These are really cute exercise books. There are 4 in here and they're B5 notebooks. They've got different designs on them. This one says, "See the good." It's just my positive vibes coming through. This one was cute. It says "Notes in gold." I thought it was really pretty, and I don't want to open it because I want to send it brand new to you guys, but there are 2 other really cute designs. And actually, to match with these notebooks is a weekly planner. I thought this was really cute, nice and small. You can keep it in your bag. You could even keep it in your locker or on your desk. And I just really liked the design and the colors, and I thought it was really pretty. I feel like I would have used this when I was at school. And I also saw this notebook. It just says "Notes in gold." It's black. It feels really nice. And you could use it to maybe like write down reminders or questions that you have when you're doing your homework, and you can take it to class and ask the teacher. So I wanted to include just an extra plain notebook like this. Now I was also looking for a diary or a planner, and I really liked this one. So I should show you guys. I shouldn't be looking at it myself. So it's really cute. It says "Make yourself proud," and then there's stickers. There's actually a paperclip in there. Oh, did not realize. Lots of stickers, areas to plan out your week. You've got a week to view section. You've got notes. I just think having a diary or a planner is essential, especially once you get to high school, and 100% you need it when you're in uni or college. So you can see a couple of things were from the same collection that I purchased. So this is just a nice little desk organizer. Notepads, paper clips, washi tape, pencils, eraser, sharpeners. Again, going with the pastel theme. Okay, now onto all of the stationery. I found this really cute little gold pencil case, so I wanted to include that. And a bunch of pencils. We have pens. We have glitter gel pens, because I like those. I always used to color coordinate my notes and add color and just a bit of vibrancy. Cute gold pens. Erasers. Oh, I really like these. These were really pretty pens, and again, they match with like the planner, the weekly planner, and a couple of the notebooks. And, okay, wait a minute guys. First, before I get into that item, I found these really cute pineapple shaped gold paper clips, so I couldn't resist. But then I debated with Adam on whether or not I should purchase these, but I saw them and I just started laughing. They're stars, and I thought, okay, on a serious note, you could actually use these to flag important dates in your diary or planner, like upcoming assignments and exams. I was kind of thinking, if ever you didn't do as well in an assignment as you'd hoped, it's like you can give yourself your own stars. This is my ridiculously pathetic sense of humor coming through. Study hard, work hard, study smart, and then you won't have to give yourself your own stars. But I don't know why I bought these, I just thought it was funny. So just head to the description box to find out how to enter, and make sure you do. I love filming these videos. And also don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications. Life of Jess is coming out in August. Do not miss those episodes. And I will see you on Monday. I think I'm gonna post Mondays and Fridays for the rest of July. So yeah, mwah. Bye guys.